So in this video, we will connect our digital experience, that's a Flexcard layer, with the service management, our integration procedure. So just to summarize, this is our requirement. We created the Flexcard before, we created the integration procedure. Now we want this Flexcard to work dynamically with the data created by integration procedure. So I'll go to the Flexcard. If you haven't followed this video, go back to our previous video. I'll mention that in the description so you can see how we create the Flexcard, how we create the integration procedure. So right now I am inside a Flexcard, and if you go to the setup, scroll down to the data source, you will see there's no data source as of now. For us, we need to select a data mapper, a integration procedure actually. So let's try to search our integration procedure. It's called weather underscore forecast. How that name came from? It is from the type and the subtype that we added to the integration procedure. Now let's even activate this IP. So let's go here. Oh, it's getting activated. Now go to the Flexcard. We don't have any input which is going to this IP. Otherwise, we could have created a key value pairs here. For testing purposes, we have to click on save and fetch, and then let's see what this IP is giving us in return. So this will give us basically a JSON, so which we saw in our previous video. It is in the form of current weather, city name, and the temperature, which we dynamically want to link it to the UI of the Flexcard. So just for the, rather than using current weather colon the temperature, now I'll take my JSON path into this current weather itself. Now how that will help us is we can directly access the city name and the temperature. So now let's go back to the requirements that we had. So the temperature should have the temperature being shown here. So we'll go to this text block where it is we had a hard coded value of the temperature text. Now let's add value of that temp field. Let's see what was the value actually. It was okay, TEMP. Now let's copy this, actually that's better. We come back here, paste it, and then for Celsius symbol, let's create that out, and then it's Celsius actually. So now you'll see that values will start showing it dynamically here. Similarly, we now need a city name and a province, and we saw that in the JSON data that we created in the IP, it is coming in a city name. Let's go to the city name and select the properties. Let's replace this with the dynamic values now. So you will see, here you go. So now we are getting all the values being populated from our IP into the front end of the Flexcard, and you can see if you click on the preview also, we'll be able to launch this Flexcard and see the values being populated here. So temperature is being shown here, and the city name and the state code that we created in IP is being pushed here. So this is how we integrate our Flexcard with the integration procedure, and behind the scene our integration procedure is using HTTP action and data mapper to transform the data the way we need it. Another thing is, in the next video we'll talk about how to create and get this 5-day forecast information. So the user click on this is the action, and they are able to get the future information out of that. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, because we are creating educational content only for you, and you are our motivation, so that we can create more content for you. Let's wait for the next video.